Padma Bridge, the biggest dream of a nation. It connects both sides of the widest river in the country and also the heart of millions. It is an icon of self-reliance and a symbol of confidence for the people. The dream is now unfolding in reality. For days and nights, both the riverbanks are now abuzz with activities.
We have major 5 components: main bridge, river training, approach road Mawa, approach road Janjira, and service areas 2. These are the major 5 components of the civil contracts of the project. And all the contracts by December 2014, we are able to give work order, and contractor has started mobilization and work in time. And already we are achieving to our goal every day, part by part, as per our schedule.
Works are in full swing. Padma is full of floating cranes. The giant hammer can be seen pushing long steel piles deep inside the riverbed. This German hammer can press with a weight of 2,500 tons. That is heavier than 10 Boeing jets. The primary task of test piling started in March 2015 and ended in December. While test has been successful, Prime Minister Sheikh Hasina inaugurated the main piling work in the same month.
আমি ঘোষণা দিয়েছিলাম নিজস্ব অর্থায়নে আমরা এই পদ্মা সেতু নির্মাণ করব। আল্লাহর রহমতে সেই পদ্মা সেতু আমরা বাংলাদেশের জনগণ আমরা আমাদের নিজের টাকায় এই বৃহৎ সেতু নির্মাণের কাজ শুরু করেছি।
Mawa Construction Yard, a huge construction site which can be seen even from the middle of the mighty river. Large steel plates of 60mm thickness brought from China are being molded and rolled here to make gigantic iron pipes of up to 120 meters in length.
For this bridge, this is a high technology bridge. We are facing a lot of technology challenge because this kind of pipe, steel tube pipe, with 150 meters length and with such 3-meter diameter, that kind of pipe is also very big in the world. So we are challenged that we are facing the technical challenge for how to drive into the design level, how to ensure the end bearings and the shaft and the skin bearings, friction bearings capacity.
Huge cranes load the pipes into megaships which then carry those to the piling sites. 6 such piles make a pier, and Padma needs 42 piers to bridge the banks. These piers will be connected by 41 spans that make it 6.15 kilometers long. China Major Bridge Engineering Company of People's Republic of China is the contractor of the main bridge construction work.
We are making additional equipment such like 1,000 metric ton floating crane, and also another seat of the hammer will be used for driving the first section of the steel tube pipe. We are sure after increase additional the resource and the equipment, can improve the progress and match the target date.
Padma flows in a zigzag, continuously eroding its banks and changing its course. It is said that this river is mightiest after Amazon in the world. This unpredictable nature makes river training the most difficult part of this project.
Hydrological condition here is very complex, and also it is very unpredictable. Every year you don't know which side will be eroded, and also during construction some not 100% complete part may be damaged by the flood. So that is a lot of challenge. So first I think we have got our design there, and also for construction, Sino Hydro is a world famous company. We have got high technology dredgers equipments, and also I would say our engineers are first class in the world. So we are pretty confident that we can cope with all the difficulties and complete this project.
Sino Hydro Corporation Limited is the contractor for river training works. They are ready to take the fight on. And in training the river, these concrete blocks are one of their ammunitions. In Machir Kanda of Janjira, one can see thousands of such blocks in making. It requires 4.38 million tons of stones, 13.3 million blocks, and around 21.1 million geobags filled with sands to protect 14 kilometers of banks on both sides of the river.
This is a lot of work. We have 13 kilometers of river we have to protect. We have to complete within 4 years, so that's approximately 3.5 per year. And if you calculate financially, the bidding price is 1.1 billion US dollars. So that's like 300 million US dollars per year. That's a lot of work.
One of the major parts of this river training job is dredging. It requires dredging out 50 million cubic meters of sands to maintain the river flow at a desired level and prevent scouring of the riverbed.
Now we have complete around 12 to 13%, but the exact completing date we cannot say, because the natural condition we cannot control. If everything goes right, we should complete within the contract period, which is 4 years. But if some disaster happens, then it's hard to say.
There are 3 service areas for this project. They are almost ready to use. Service Area 1 is the largest among them, with 30 duplex residential units, a large motel mess, masjid, overhead water tank, firefighting center, power substation, guardhouse, full load generator for electricity supply, cricket pitch, basketball court and swimming pool, whatnot. One can consider it as a world-class resort. Abdul Monim Limited is responsible for its construction.
There was some commitment for completing the service area for the accommodation of the consulting engineer that we have completed and handed over to them. This work was a very challenging work, and though this work being provided to us, so actually our chairman is a very dedicated man, and he has put his all effort. He has actually over mobilized with this contract to finish this project in scheduled time.
Another major work is the construction of approach roads that connects the bridge with the national road network. There are two parts of it. One is 1.6 kilometers up to Mawa, and another starts from Janjira with a longer distance of 10.5 kilometers, 4-lane dual carriageway and service road, along with 5 small bridges, 20 box culverts and 8 underpass. Piles of sand, stone and brick can be found at construction sites. Trucks bringing sand, cement, stone and soil, moving cranes, loaders and bulldozers are busy day and night to complete the job. Malaysian company HCM is partnering Abdul Monem in this work.
To having the contract in Padma multipurpose bridge project for these 3 contracts, we Abdul Monem Limited actually proud of it. We blessed to God that God has given that opportunity to Abdul Monem Limited to be attached with Padma multipurpose bridge project, which is now is a very brand project and very famous project and very challenging project for the Bangladesh.
Government had to acquire 1,231.40 hectares of land for this project from the people living around. So it was a major responsibility to resettle and compensate them. The response to this call was 8 modern resettlement centres built as a model town. Most of the affected families are now living here, building their own house. There will be around 400,000 trees planted, considering the recovery of environmental damage.
First, we will allocate the plot for the homeless people who have lost their homestead, and then we will try to increase the livelihood of their income.
Bangladesh Army, Buet, Korea Expressway Corporation and associates are supervising construction of the bridge that is expected to boost the country's economic growth at least 1.2% per year after completion.
We are a very good team. So we are giving any problem we are facing, we are giving decision in very quick. The quick decision is the success to make good progress. So our team is doing it.
The proud dream is about to come true. 2018 is the year till the wait is over.